Hey, Nibine Dalonu Kekunumere. You're welcome to asusuigbodimfe, the platform where we learn how to communicate in Igbo. So, are you a child here? Are you a teenager? Are you an adult? And you're battling with how to speak Igbo? You're on a journey. I wish you grace. But don't worry, so long as you're in this platform, you're going to learn how to communicate in Igbo confidently over time. And it's going to be fun because you're going to learn other things about you and me, we the Igbos. Okay? We're going to learn stories, we're going to listen to stories, we're going to know songs, while we also learn how to communicate. All these have been put together to ensure that you have a beautiful journey, okay? So if you're watching us here, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so today we'll be talking about simple commands, okay? In Igbo language or at home or within your family, you always hear some people say, come, go, bring this for me, sit here, keep quiet, and you wonder what are they saying in Igbo. These are very simple commands that any and every Igbo person should get familiar with. So we're going to touch a few of them, then you learn them, repeat and watch this video as often as you can. With time, you get familiar with these words. Right? So let's go. Let's go. Go. That's the first one. Go. Ga or J. You hear people say ga, go and, or go get something. Ga, or you hear J. So when you hear go, ga, and you hear J, it's the same thing. The person is saying you should go. The person is trying to give you a command, an instruction. Now, write. De, ihe. De, ihe. De, ihe. De means to write. Now, if we put these two words together, it's a command right now. So we're saying go and write. What will it be? Let's see. Ga de ihe. You see, you can make a command in Igbo right now, like seriously. Okay, so now listen to the pronunciation. Ga de ihe or je de ihe. So when you hear someone say ga de ihe or je de ihe, the person is saying go and write. Maybe there's a homework or there's an activity or there's something you're supposed to do and you were distracted and you get that command, go and write. Je de ihe or ga de ihe. When you hear either of them, they mean go and write. Okay, go away. For. See the way it sounds. Now, if you've been following us, okay, we've learned about the Igbo alphabets, and we know the sound when we have the letter U with a dot under it. O. O. Now this letter O with a dot under is O. 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 And the hyphen goes up. O. Okay. Now go away from here. Pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a. Where ebe a is here. Alright? Pụọ ebe a. Go away from here. Maybe there's a dog disturbing you back here and you're like, go away from here. Pụọ ebe a. Or you have someone, a younger one, or a child disturbing you and you're trying to concentrate. You're like, Pụọ ebe a. Go away from here. So, can you see how to say go away from here is different from saying go and write, go and bring this. So if you want to say go away, so it's seen here like a different word. Go away is po. Okay? Now go away from here is poeba. Alright? Now come. Come. Bia. 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 Bia here is come. Remember we did de in here in the previous slide. De in here. Assuming you're a teacher or your mom, you're a dad, and you want to tell somebody come and write. Now let's put it together. It's going to be bia de in here. You see that? Bia de in here. Bia de in here. Come and write. Come here. Bia eba. Remember the previous slide? We learned that eba is here when we said go away from here. Poeba. Now come here. Bia eba. So when you hear eba, it means here. Now there's some dialects that use other words like bianga, nga. People in the Abia states and Imo states, some parts you hear bianga, come here, where nga is here. You hear bianga, you hear bieba, you also hear bianca. Bianca is Anambra. So if you're from the Anambra side, you hear people that will say bianca. Bianca. You hear from the Imo Abia, you hear bianga. Then general Igbo terms is bieba. So, but be very vigilant. When you hear bia, you know it's come. Okay? So when you now hear bieba, bianga, bianca, with the bia at the beginning, you know it's a command for you to come. Okay? Please, I don't want you to look lost when someone tells you bia. Okay? And you're not supposed to respond. You're just supposed to come quietly and gently. Okay? All right. To read is go. Go. Remember, we've pronounced these two alphabets in the previous slide. Go. Your book. Okay, if you've been following us in our platform, we've learned about pronouns. Your is gi, and book here is akwụkwọ. So now, your book. Book here is akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. Follow this, the accent up. Akwụkwọ. Then gi. Alright? Gi here is a pronoun your. Okay? Sorry. Akwụkwọ gi. Your book. This KW is a diphthong in Igbo language. Is akwụkwọ gi. Now, if we put it together, we'll have gụọ akwụkwọ gi. Read your book. Mommy comes back from work and she finds you watching a cartoon. She's like, go read your book. Now, I've said something. Go and read your book. We've done go. What is go? Think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is go? Ga or je. I hope you got it. Ga, gụọ akwụkwọ gi. Can you see you're gradually beginning to make a command step by step? Gụọ akwụkwọ gi here is read your book. Now, go and read your book. We just did it now. Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gi. Or je gụọ akwụkwọ gi. So it's either ga gụọ akwụkwọ gi or je gụọ akwụkwọ gi. Okay, so you've seen how we've been able to combine go and the new words you've learned. Your book, read your book, go and read your book. Now, if I want to say come and read your book, we've learned come. Can you remember what come is? Bia. So assuming I want to say come and read your book, what is it going to be? It's going to be Bia Guo Akwukwo Gi. Okay? Let's move on. Aha. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. For some people, you hear Nodu ala. You also hear Norala. You also hear Norodo. 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 Norala. Nodu ala. So if you hear any of these commands, the person is referring that you should sit down. Nodu ala, norala, norodu. They all mean sit down. Then some places in Anambra will say Nodwana, Nolana. You even hear Nolana, Nodwana. It means sit down. So if you hear Nolana, it's Anambra, sit down. Norodo is Central Igbo. It means sit down. You also hear Borala. That is Imo. That is Abia. Abia people, some of them will say, especially the people deep in the village, you say Borala. So if you hear Borala, Norodo, Nodwane, Nolane, all means sit down. It's just different dialects coming up with their own unique way of saying sit down. But Central Igbo is Nodwala. You hear Nodwala, Norala, Norodo. So amongst these three, choose the one that flows with you. But just bear in mind that when you hear these other ones I've mentioned, they're for people from other dialects, they mean the same thing, so that you don't look confused or lost when you hear them speak. Okay? Are we there? Before I continue, please, I hope you have your notebook and your biro, because you can't come to the class empty-handed, looking at my face and looking at the slides. No, you should have your notebook and your biro. So pause this video if you don't have it, and when you go get it, start from the beginning, because you're going to have to note down these words, else you forget. Even though I know you're going to watch this video over and over again, but please note down the words you are learning. Okay, so come and sit down. Bia nodwala. Remember we learned come in the beginning slide. Bia nodu ala. Bia nodu ala. You can say bia. Let's take the next one. Norala. Bia norodo. Okay, so bia norodo. Bia norala, bia nodwala. They all mean come and sit down. Go and sit down. You should be able to get this without looking. Ga nodwala. Or you say ga norodo. Or ga norala. Okay? How are we doing? Hope we're doing great. Hope we're following. Stand up. Now, in stand up, okay, stand up, we have kworo oto, kworo oto, guzo oto, kulie oto, bilie oto, kunye oto. Now these are other people's dialects as well, like we said before. Okay, so but when you want to say stand up, the general way of saying stand up is kurato. This first one, kurato. But we have different dialects in Igbo land. So if you hear guzoto, kulioto, bilioto, kunyoto, they all mean stand up. But I want you to try and learn this first one. Horoto. Horoto. Stand up. Horoto. I want you to learn poroto. It feels like it's the general one every Igbo person knows. Igbo people know this as well, but these are also from people's different dialects, okay? But the general one is poroto. If you hear these other ones, they all mean the same thing. They all mean stand up, okay? Stand up and read your book. Should we try this out? Okay, so stand up is poroto. Read your book. We did it in the previous slide. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Poroto. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. That's it here. Poroto. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Poroto. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Stand up and read your book. Sing a song. Boabo. Sing a song. Boabo. Okay? Or you hear go egwu. Go egwu. Like you're saying, read a song. Go egwu. Ọ na-agụ egwu. Okay? Go egwu or boabo. They are both correct. Go and sing. Ga gụọ abụ. Or ga gụọ egwu. Or je gụọ egwu. So whichever of them you see is correct. Come and sing. Bịa gụọ abụ. Okay, let's go. Listen. Listen. Gente. 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 Listen to your mom. Ge nne gị ntị. You see where we put your mom? In between the ge and the ntị. Now, nne here refers to mom. You can watch some of our free videos. We learned about the nuclear family. Nne here refers to mom. This is the pronoun gi. Gi here refers to your mom. Gi is your. So your mom is nne gi. And so we put your mom at the center here and before ntị. Then we have ge nne gi ntị. Alright? Listen to your mom. Now, what is dad in Igbo? Dad in Igbo is nna. Nna. So we've learned a few new words today already. So listen to your dad. Ge nna gi ntị. This is ge, not J. Ge. This letter G sounds g. G. Ge nna gi ntị. Look at the hyphen. Ntị. Ge nna gi ntị. Alright? Listen to me. Me here is letter M, or letter M with a U. Ge m ntị. Ge m ntị. Ge m ntị. Okay? Go and listen to your mom. You could get this. Yes, you can. Because we've learned what go is in previous slide. Now we've learned what listening to your mom is. So go put it together and send it to me on my email, or send it to me as a voice note on our WhatsApp line. Come and listen to your dad. I want to hear you try this and you send to me. Let's see how much you've learned, okay? Now, pick is tutu, 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 or tuturo, tutu or tuturo. When you hear tuturo, tuturo ya, pick it up. Okay? Tụtụrụ ya. Tụtụrụ ya. Pick it up. Tụtụrụ ya. Tụtụrụ ya. Ya here is it. Tụtụrụ ya is pick it up. Now pick up your book. We've learned that your book is akwụkwọ gị. Now if you put tụtụrụ together with it, it's going to be tụtụrụ akwụkwọ gị. You see that? Tụtụrụ akwụkwọ gị. So assuming we want to say, come and pick up your book. We've learned come and pick up your book. We've learned come. Now, because we've learned that pick up your book is tụtụrụ akwụkwọ gị, I'm sure you can fix it together. Assuming you also hear go and pick up your book, you can do it as well. Try it out and send to me. I want you to know how good you're doing, okay? Open. Meghe. Sorry. Open. Meghe. Meghe is open. Now, the door is ụzọ. 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 If we put it together, open the door will be meghe ụzọ. You've learned that today. Meghe ụzọ. Now, some dialects will say mepe, mepe ụzọ. Meghe, mepe, they are both correct. So when you hear someone say mepere m ụzọ or mepe ụzọ or mepe akwụkwọ gị, it means open. If you hear meghe ụzọ, meghe akwụkwọ gị, it means open your book. So when you hear meghe, you hear mepe, they both mean open. Okay? See, open your book. Meghe akwụkwọ gị or mepe, mepe akwụkwọ gị, correct as well. Open your mouth. Meghe ọnụ gị. Maybe you have to take your medicine. Doctor is trying to tell you, open your mouth, swallow it, open your mouth. Meghe ọnụ gị. Now this is mouth. Mouth here is ọnụ. Okay? Ọnụ, ọnụ. Meghe ọnụ gị. Meghe ọnụ gị. Gị here is your. Okay? Meghe ọnụ gị. Open your mouth. Come and open the door. We've learned come. Go and open the door. We've learned it. Please try it out and give me your feedback. Mechie, close. To close is mechie. Mechie, close the door. Mechie ụzọ. Close your mouth. You learned your mouth in the previous slides. Go and check it out. And make sure every new word you learn, you use it. That is the only way your mind and your brain registers it, okay? Close your book. I'm sure you can do that as well. Okay, so give is nyem, nye, nye, nye. Give me is nyem. That letter M there refers to me. Nyem. Give me, nyem. Give it to me. Nyem ya. Ya here is it. It. This it here is this ya. Nyem ya. Give your mom your book. Try this out. We've learned what your mom is. You've learned what your book is. So put it together. Now we know what nye is. We know that give is nye, right? So now we're referring to your mom. Give your mom your book. Now you're gonna try it out and let me know. Give me your book. What is give me? Give me is staring you in the face here. Nyem. Then your book. I hope you're putting this down in your notes. Tick covered notes. Don't use paper covered notes. That doesn't get torn easily. Take is were. 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 See the accent here. Were. Take it. Were ya. Were ya. Take your book. I'm sure you can try it out. You can try it out. You have a couple of questions to try out and get back to me. Oh, we've come to the end of the class. Wow, it was a beautiful class. I enjoyed myself. I hope you did. I hope you've learned a few words. If this has been good to you, please send an email to us at asusuigbodimfe@gmail.com. We'll place it down in the comment section and let us have your feedback. Let's know how it went. Did you learn from it? Please like, subscribe, and make a comment. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let your friends learn these words that you are learning. Feel free to join our monthly coaching program for children and adults. That way, you will have learned more new words and you will be in a group of people that are learning at the same pace with you. So you're going to be encouraged. You're going to have fun in class because we do role plays, we do projects, we do assignments together. Okay. Divine, que messiano, ainda fumbo, que messiano.